guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. So with the white, pink, and gold, it'll be 10 inches balloons, and for this is 12 inches. So now we'll inflate our white. Since this is gonna be organic, it's not gonna be the same size when you inflate them, so different sizes. The trick is you want to make sure that this is nice and round. Okay, you pair this up, you put the nozzle together and then intertwine and then tie. Make another duplet. You put this across, and once you get this, you intertwine. So this is now your quad. So you want to grab the end of your balloon, one of the end, and one of the end on the other quad. You tie them together, and now it becomes a cluster of balloon. So we have our cluster balloon. So I'll do all my cluster like this. So I inflate the other color. This is 12 inches. Since I don't have a lot of this color, so we'll just make it into quad, and then we'll put this, we'll scatter this on our garland. Alright guys, so all the clusters are here. So let's start with the gold. So this time I'm gonna start from the top going down. So I'll attach this here, put it in between your round arch, and then what I'm gonna do is intertwine this so it'll lock in place, so it stays on your arch, just like that. So it stays on the arch, and then I'm gonna put another color. So this time I'm gonna grab one of the balloon end and one of the end here, right there, and then tie this together. Like that. You can always move it around, different direction, whichever way you like it. Alright, so I'll add more on the bottom to make it more fuller. So the same thing, you grab one of the balloon end and attach it. So now I have three 16 inches balloon, and I tie it with our rubber band. So this is how you add your bigger balloons to your clusters or to your garland. Put it there. And then just add it. Then we'll add gold in here. Alright, so this time we'll add our filler. So this is actually 5 inches inflated to any sizes, as long as it's kind of the same, right? Since this is organic, it doesn't have to be the same size. So after you make it into quad, you want to use your rubber band. Just wrap this here. This is how you do your filler. So now, the reason we have this filler is to fill up the gap that you see here. You can use more filler or less filler. It's your preference. Alright, so this is now done. So now we'll add more decorations here. We'll be using our pool noodle. So we'll put this here. So about this much. Once you got this half, you slice this on the side. So you get this open, okay? I'll put this. Okay, so once you get this on, I will use zip tie. We'll cut the extra and then we will attach our flower. So again, we'll put this in the description down below where to get it. You can always check our Amazon storefront. Please check that out. Okay. Right, so we'll add some greenery here. Alright, this is finally done. Beautiful with the stand right there. You can put your dessert or cake. Ain't that nice, guys? Once again, this is Feminine Y. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.